Hello everyone. The topic of today's session is online counseling, scope and limitations. The purpose of this lesson is to understand the concept of counseling and the areas where the counseling is practiced. On the completion of this lesson, we should able to define the concept of online counseling, difference between online counseling and regular counseling, identify the areas where counseling can be practiced, and the limitations of online counseling. So first of all, what is counseling? काउंसलिंग इज़ अ पर्सनल और इंडिविजुअल प्रोसेस. काउंसलिंग में क्या होता है कि एट अ टाइम एक पर्सन का एक ही प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किया जाता है. काउंसलिंग इज़ अ सीरीज ऑफ डायरेक्ट कॉन्टैक्ट विद द इंडिविजुअल विच एम्स टू ऑफर हिम असिस्टेंस इन चेंजिंग हिज एटीट्यूड एंड बिहेवियर. तो काउंसलिंग में ये ज़रूरी नहीं होता कि एक ही सेशन में आपकी सारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाए. इसमें बार बार आपके काउंसलर से मिलना पड़ता है आपकी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए. ये सीरीज़ ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट होता है. नाउ व्हाट इज़ ऑनलाइन काउंसलिंग? ऑनलाइन काउंसलिंग इन्वॉल्व providing mental health services over internet. This allow people to connect with qualified mental health professional from the comfort of their own home and without the hustle of commuting to an office. ऑनलाइन काउंसलिंग में आपको फ़ेस टू फेस स्पेशलाइज्ड काउंसलिंग सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड की जाती है विद द यूज़ ऑफ इंटरनेट. ये सारी सर्विसेज आपको प्रीडोमिनेंटली प्रोवाइड की जाती है वाया ईमेल, रियल टाइम चैट एंड वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग. However, with the national agencies such as Lifeline, Kids Helpline, Suicide Callback Services, and Headspace incorporating the online counseling to their service provision. Depending on the online networking medium used in each of them, there are many forms of online therapy services offered, like text message, mobile interactive app, real-time instant messaging, video conferencing, internet phone call, and email. Apart from the use of internet, there are several significant differences between online counseling and regular counseling, like farther reach. For the patients living in far off or remote areas, online counseling is an ideal and effective option. ऑनलाइन ट्रीटमेंट में आपको कंप्लीट वेराइटी ऑफ रिसोर्सेज एंड मेंटल वेलबींग सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड की जाती है विदाउट द नीड टू ड्राइव फॉर आवर्स टू गो टू द ट्रेडिशनल थेरेपी सेशन. Next is more convenient. For the people with the physical disability, the opportunity to access mental care and therapeutic treatment from the safety of their homes. Then next is affordable mental health care. The online consultation appointment are more accessible compared to daily treatment services at their home. You can save your time and cost of going to their office, since you will communicate with your therapist from the convenience of your house or home. Then next we have the areas where counseling may be practiced. The areas are abuse, low self-esteem and confidence, addiction, bereavement and loss, and depression, and many more areas are also there. First is abuse. It can be emotional, mental, physical, and sexual. No matter what type of abuse is experienced or witnessed, it can be very distressing for a person to go through. People often only think of physical or sexual abuse. However, emotional and mental abuse can also leave very deep scars. Counseling can help people to work through the trauma of experience that they have gone through and help them to rebuild their self belief and confidence. It can assist people in their understanding that things were not their fault and give them a space where they can be heard. Then, low self esteem and confidence. People often come for counseling because they have very low self worth. This means that they lack confidence and that their self esteem is very fragile. uh, इसका मेन रीज़न ये होता है कि वो किस एनवायरनमेंट में ग्रो हुए हैं, उनका बचपन किस एनवायरनमेंट में बीता है, और उन या फिर उनका रिलेशनशिप कैसा है अपने पीयर्स के साथ या अपनी फैमिली के साथ. It may be the result of bullying or abuse. Counseling can really help people to start to believe in themselves again, and to recognize what they have to offer and the positive aspect of themselves. It can assist people to developing and moving forward. Uh, Whether a bereavement is sudden or expected, it is highly distressing and traumatic. People feel under great stress and strain when someone they love dies, and no matter what the circumstances is. Loss can be not only losing the loved ones, it can be your home or a job. बाय काउंसलिंग पीपल को या पेशेंट को ये रियलाइज़ करवाया जाता है दैट दे हैव द सपोर्ट व्हाट दे नीड. देन नेक्स्ट वी हैव द एडिक्शन. People often become addicted to something as their way of trying to get some kind of control in their life. The irony is that the addiction leaves them feeling more out of control in the end, whether it is the exercise, drug, gambling, shopping. People turn to focus on one area. मतलब इंसान सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ पे अपना पूरा फोकस कर देता है जब उसको किसी चीज़ की एडिक्शन हो जाती है, लत लग जाती है. Either way, counseling can help people to look what they are really feeling and experiencing, and assist them as they work through this as they give up their addiction. Counseling supports people in the process of letting the addiction go. Then next is depression. Living with depression can be very painful and distressing place to be. Depression can take over and leave people feeling both physically and emotionally drained. इंसान बहुत अकेला और आइसोलेटेड फील करता है एज दो नो वन फुली अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट दे आर गोइंग थ्रू. So counseling helps them to provide with the space where they are heard and support through a very dark and painful time. It also help people to gradually rebuild and gradually put their lives back together. There are also some limitations of online counseling. Like online counseling is differ from face to face psychotherapy. ऑनलाइन काउंसलिंग में सिर्फ हमारे साइट और हियरिंग इन्वॉल्व रहते हैं, वेयर इट इज़ पॉसिबल दैट यू मे फील अ सेंस ऑफ डिसकनेक्शन विथ योर ऑनलाइन थेरेपिस्ट इन द फर्स्ट फ्यू सेशंस. The main big limitation of online counseling is privacy, secrecy, and unreliable instruction. Since information is being transmitted online, the situation makes privacy leak and hacks more of concern. Technology problem can also make it difficult to access treatment when you really need it. The next is overlook body language. in certain case, facial gestures, verbal signals, or body language cannot be used by online therapy. कई बार जो ऑनलाइन थेरेपिस्ट होता है उनको पेशेंट के बॉडी लैंग्वेज या फेशियल जेस्चर उनको पढ़ने में, रीड करने में डिफ़िकल्टी होती है, जिसमें उनके पूरे ट्रीटमेंट को अफेक्ट कर सकता है. बट online counseling really help people to live their life happily with high self esteem and confidence. So that's all we have in this session. Thank you.